I'm now here in Odloman Cave, in Mabinay, Negros Oriental. The Odloman Cave is the second largest cave system in the Philippines. The largest is Puerto Princesa. It has a total of 8.7 kilometers. This is the main entrance, and there is another entrance there by the river. You have to go down just to go to the Odloman Cave. There are two chambers. The first chamber, you need to rappel. It's 15 meters by drop. Then the second chamber, it's a total of 60 meters. Then again, you have to descend. Inside Odloman Cave, there are unique formations, very good formations. And from my understanding, this is the only place where you can find helictites. Again, Odloman Cave, the second biggest cave system in the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Odloman Cave. Bye guys!